Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering. I am Dr. S.K. Sonkar, Assistant Professor of EH Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today we discuss the subject named Power System Protection EX 701. The topic is fault analysis, current limiting reactors. What is current limiting reactors? The current limiting reactor is a large number of reactance coils to limit the fault current, short circuit fault current. So we discuss the location of current limiting reactors. Outline location of reactors in power system. Location of reactors. Short circuit current limiting reactor may be connected in series with each generator, second in series with each feeder, and third in series with bus bars. First, generator reactor. When the reactors are connected in series with generator, they are known as generator reactor. That is seen in the figure. G1, G2 and G3 is the generator 1, generator 2 and generator 3. It is connected reactor in series with the diagrams. So in the diagrams, this is the bus bar and this is the feeder line. In this case, the reactor may be considered as a part of leakage reactance of generator. Hence, its effect is to protect the generator in case of any short circuit beyond the reactors. Disadvantage, there is a constant voltage drop and power loss in the reactors when during normal operation. If a bus bar or feeder fault occur close to the bus bar, the voltage at the bus bar will reduce to a low value, thereby causing the generator to fall out of step. If the fault occurs on any feeder, the continuity of supply to other is likely to be affected. Second one, feeder reactor. When the reactors are connected in series with each feeder, they are known as feeder reactors. Shown in figure. Since most of the short circuit occur on feeder, a large number of reactors are used for such circuits. This is the feeder reactor. Two principal advantages are claimed for feeder reactors. Firstly, if a fault occur on any feeder, the voltage drop in its reactor will not affect the busbar voltage, so that there is a little tendency for the generator to lose synchronicity. Secondly, the fault on the feeder will not affect other feeder, and consequently the effects of fault are localized. Disadvantage, there is a constant power loss and voltage drop in the reactors even during normal operation conditions. If the short circuit occurs at the bus bar, no protection is provided to the generators. However, this is of little importance because such faults are rare and modern generators have considerable leakage reactance to enable them to withstand short circuit across their terminals. If the number of generators is increased, the size of feeder reactor will have to increase to keep the short circuit current within the ratings of feeder circuit breakers. Third one, bus bar reactor. The above two method of locating reactors suffer from the disadvantage that there is a considerable voltage drop and power loss in the reactors even during normal operation. This disadvantage can be overcome by locating the reactors in the bus bar. There are two methods for this purpose, namely ring system and second one tie bar systems. Ring systems, in this system bus bar is divided into sections and these sections are connected through reactors shown in figure. Generally, the feeder is fed from one generator only. Under normal operating condition, each generator will supply its own section of the load and very little power will be fed by other generators. This result is low power loss and voltage drop in the reactors. This is the main principle of ring systems. Second one, tie bar systems. Shown in figure, tie bar system, comparing the ring system with tie bar system, it is clear that in the tie bar system, there are effectively two reactors in series between sections, so that reactors must have approximately half the reactance of those used in a comparable ring systems. Here, this is generator and this is bus bar. And this is the reactor. The reactor connected of bus bar and feeder. This is the tie bar. All three reactors, one terminal is shorted. Another advantage of tie bar system is that additional generator may be connected to the system without repairing, changing the existing reactors. However, this system has the disadvantage that is requiring additional bus bar, that is the tie bar. Thank you.